YouTube's AI now drives what you watch. In minutes, I'll show how it actually works. Recommendations, search, creator tools, and safety, real examples. Why this matters to viewers and creators today. First up, recommendations. Here are the big changes, no fluff. We'll show wins and limits with real cases. Ready? Let's dive in. The most powerful AI on YouTube is the one you interact with constantly, the recommendation system. This is the sophisticated engine that powers your homepage, the up next sidebar, and the endless scroll of shorts. It is a personal video jockey working 24/7 to curate a playlist just for you. It does this by analyzing a massive amount of data. It looks at your entire watch history, the channels you subscribe to, the videos you have liked or disliked, and even the ones you started but did not finish. It then cross-references this with what is trending and what is new, trying to find the perfect match for your current mood and interests. This system is not static. It is constantly learning and experimenting. When a new video is uploaded, the AI might show it to a small test group of viewers who have previously shown interest in similar content. If that group responds well, watching for a long time, liking and sharing, the AI takes that as a positive signal. It will then start recommending the video to a much wider audience. This is how videos go viral and how new creators can experience explosive growth seemingly overnight. If you recently watched a few videos on restoring old furniture, the AI will notice this pattern and start suggesting more content from woodworking channels, DIY experts, antique restorers. AI also supercharges the search and discovery process. It helps you find exactly what you are looking for, even if your search query is vague or misspelled. The AI does not just look at a video's title and description, it analyzes the content within the video itself. It can listen to the spoken words and see the visual elements in each frame. This deep understanding allows for incredible features like automatic video chapters. For creators, the YouTube Studio is their command center, and AI is quickly becoming its most valuable co-pilot. Over the last year, YouTube has been aggressively rolling out and testing a suite of AI-powered tools designed to streamline the creative process. One of the most promising features currently in testing provides creators with AI-generated inspiration. By analyzing a channel's audience and recent search trends, this tool can suggest video topics and even help outline a script. Imagine being a creator with writer's block, and your YouTube Studio offers you 3 tailored video ideas that your specific audience is actively searching for. This shifts content strategy from guesswork to data-driven decision-making. Beyond ideas, AI is getting involved in the production itself. YouTube has been experimenting with generative AI features, particularly for shorts. One such tool allows creators to instantly generate a video or image background simply by typing a descriptive prompt. For example, a creator could film themselves in their bedroom and then use AI to replace the background with a surreal enchanted forest, a futuristic cityscape. Another experimental tool helps with editing by turning a long-form video into multiple snippets. Shorts identifying the most engaging moments automatically. These tools lower the barrier to entry, allowing creators with limited time and resources to produce more polished and visually compelling content. Perhaps one of the most practical AI integrations is in thumbnail creation and testing. The thumbnail is a video's billboard, and its quality can make or break its performance. For a long time, creators had to trust their gut when choosing the best image. Now, YouTube is giving more creators access to an A/B testing tool for thumbnails. A creator can upload 2 or 3 different thumbnail options for the same video. The AI then shows these different versions to segments of the audience and measures which one gets a higher click-through rate and more watch time. After gathering enough data, it automatically defaults to the winning thumbnail, optimizing the video's performance without the creator having to lift a finger. Finally, AI is helping creators manage their music and rights more effectively. The Content ID system, which uses AI to scan every upload for copyrighted material, has been around for years. It helps rights holders identify where their music or video clips are being used. Building a safer platform, AI as the digital watchdog. A vibrant community needs to be a safe one. YouTube is increasingly relying on AI to act as its digital watchdog at a massive scale. With hundreds of hours of video uploaded every minute and billions of comments posted, human moderation alone is an impossible task. AI systems work tirelessly in the background to detect and flag content that violates community guidelines. This includes automatically identifying spam scams like fake giveaways, hateful speech. The AI is trained on vast datasets of problematic content, learning to recognize patterns in text, imagery, audio that signal a potential violation. This allows human review teams to focus their attention on the most complex and urgent cases. This AI moderation extends deeply into the comments section, one of the most challenging areas to keep clean. Creators now have access to a tool that can automatically hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. The AI analyzes comments for insults, profanity, other forms of toxic behavior, placing them in a separate queue for the creator to approve, delete, report. In 2024, YouTube began testing features that use AI to organize comments by topic. This allows a creator to quickly see the main themes of conversation under their video, questions about the camera, suggestions for next week, making it easier to engage meaningfully with their community. Recognizing the rise of deepfakes and other forms of synthetic media, YouTube introduced new transparency rules in 2024. The platform now requires creators to label content that is realistically altered or generated by AI. If a video uses AI to realistically swap someone's face onto another person's body or generates a lifelike voice of a real person, a label must be applied. Section 5. The future is now, but it's still loading. So where is all of this heading? It is clear that AI is no longer just a background process on YouTube. It is a central feature that is actively reshaping the experience for everyone. The platform will undoubtedly continue to integrate AI into every facet of its operation. For viewers, this means recommendations that become even more spookily accurate and search results that understand exactly what you mean. For creators, it promises a future where AI handles the tedious parts of production, like rough editing, translations, data analysis, freeing them up to focus on what they do best, being creative and connecting with their audience. The main promise remains the same: better matches, faster tools, safer spaces. The benefits are compelling. AI can democratize creation, giving small teams the power to produce high-quality, globally accessible content. It can help viewers discover niche hobbies and connect with communities they never knew existed. However, there are risks and challenges that come with this reliance on algorithms. Recommendation systems can sometimes create filter bubbles, showing us more of the same and narrowing our perspectives. AI moderation can make errors, and the potential for misuse of generative AI for misinformation remains a significant concern. This is why YouTube steps toward transparency, like mandatory labels for synthetic media, are so important. The path forward is one of careful and deliberate integration. We can expect to see more AI helpers appear in the YouTube studio, more controls for viewers to fine-tune their recommendations, and continuous refinement of the safety systems. The technology will get smarter, but the human element will remain essential.
Creators will still need their unique voice and perspective.
And viewers will still need their critical thinking skills. AI is now a permanent part of the YouTube ecosystem. It is not a magic wand that solves every problem, but when used thoughtfully, it has the undeniable potential to make the platform smarter, more creative, and more enjoyable for everyone involved.